Instagram carousels are a great way to enhance your feed. Start by cropping your image into a size that can easily be divided by the number of slides you'll want. I want 3 slides, so I'll make this 3000 by 1000 pixels. That way each slide is an easy 1000 by 1000. Now let's turn on the grid, so we can visualize what each portion will look like, and also turn on the snap to grid function so we can easily adjust the crop for each export. I'm going to make this grid 1 row with 3 columns. Wherever each grid line is will be the edge of the next carousel image. So visually, you may want some overlap to let people know there's more to see if they keep swiping. Now we will download each carousel slide. We can use the canvas crop to snap into each third, then we'll download the file, come back, click the undo button to reset the canvas, and repeat for each portion. Once you're posting on Instagram, hit the carousel button to allow you to select multiple images. Choose them in the order from left to right you'll want people to see. Use hashtag PicMonkey to show us what you made, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.